Hi there, it's Zoe Routh. Welcome to Booktober, and today's wonderful offering is dun, 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 Magnetic Stories by the fabulous Gabrielle Dolan. The subtitle is Connect with Customers and Engage Employees with Brand Storytelling. Now, Ral is a genius. She may not ever tell you that, but it's true. She's smart, she's savvy, and she knows how to get people to tell good stories. And this book is beautifully written, and it has great suggestions for every organization and how they can improve their communication. So what I love about this book, where is it? It's right at the beginning, is how she sets it out. Here we go. Telling 5 types of brand stories. This is useful every single organization, from not-for-profits to big corporations. You need to have creation stories, culture stories, customer stories, challenge stories, and community stories. She shows you how. She gives great examples, tells a few stories, of course, for example. Really useful handbook. You can't go wrong with, I should say, Magnetic Stories by Gabrille Dolan.